We were doing lesson 7 geometrical shape. We have finished cube and cuboid. Now we will go for the cone. Okay. So next shape is your cone. You can make it like this. From top to bottom you can draw it like a triangle, and then you can make a round at the base. Okay. Now for example, you can see I have made one cone for you. Can you see? Now we will see how many faces, edges and vertex are there. In this cone only one vertex is there. Vertex, as you know, that where the edges meet, it is known as vertex. So there is only one vertex in your cone shape. Then two faces are there. One, this one curved shape, that is this curved one, and down the flat shape on which it is kept. Okay. So two faces are there, curved face and one flat face. And how many edges are there? Only one edge is there. So one curved edge is there. This one, this down one is known as your edge. So what we will write? How many faces are there? Two faces are there. One is your flat and another one is your curved face. Okay. Then how many vertex are there? One. And how many edges are there? One curved edge. Okay. One curved edge. This down one. Okay. So what are the example of this cone? For example, you can say ice cream cone, then bell. Another one you can write joker's cape. So these three example you can remember for your cone. Then we will move to our fourth one, that is your cylinder. Then fourth one is your cylinder. How to draw it? You will make two lines, parallel lines. Then you can join them with curved lines. So this is known as your cylinder. This cylinder, now we will see how many faces it has, how many edges it has, and if there is any vertex or not. Okay. So this cylinder have three faces. What are they? One is your curved face, that is this one, this round one, and two flat face, that is this and this one. So there three faces are there. These are your faces. Let me show you with this example. See, this is a cylinder. Okay, this is a cylinder. So this one is your curved face, this round one, and two flat face, that is top and at the bottom. Okay, and where is the curved edge? It has two curved edge, this down one and this side this one. Okay, this is your one curved edge and this is the another curved edge. So it has two curved edges. So we can write how many faces it has. It has two faces, three faces, two curved and one flat. And how many edges are there? We have one edge, so we will write edge, one curved edge. Two curved edges. Top one and bottom one. So two curved edges. And for example, we will have like your bottle, then comes your pipe, and then you can write glass. So these are the example of your cylinder. Last comes your sphere. So we will go for sphere. You can draw it like this, and you can draw a middle line. That means it is a filled one, it is a solid one. Okay, like I have one example. You can say, see this ball, this is your sphere. It does not have any edge or vertex, it has only one curved face. So we will write here how many faces are there. Only one curved face is there. And for example, we can write ball, any ball, football, cricket ball, any ball you can write. Then globe, and last you can write tomato. So these are your 5 solid shape. Let us do a revision. This is your cube. How many faces? 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Then comes your cuboid. It has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Okay. Then comes to your cone. It has 2 faces, that is one flat and one curved, 1 vertex and 1 curved edge. Fourth one is your cylinder. It has 3 faces, 2 curved and 1 flat, and 2 edges on top and bottom. Okay. Then sphere, only 1 curved face. It has no vertex, no edges. So these are your solid shape. Thank you.